Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. I cleaned up this squiggle right here, and then I thought I'd clean up this one. You see the broken nodes in a really shaky line? That's pretty cool squiggle, but it's not that good. And I'm going to make it into a hairline, and it looks a lot better as a hairline. There's still squiggly lines and broken nodes. So to fix that, and I think I'm going to make it a lot better, and I'm going to put my email at the bottom of this video like I've been doing. If you'd like to have these squiggles, I'm going to group and I'm going to ungroup them. I'm going to use this Smart Fill tool in a minute, so I don't want it to leak, so I'm going to put a box around it. I am going to click on this, and I am going to take my shape tool and select it all. And I'm going to go to Windows Dockers Join Curves. And I'm just going to join the curves. And what that did, that filled in that bad line. Now, don't really have to, but look at the nodes in that. Let's take, wow, I did it pretty good. Just delete, whoop, I deleted a corner one. Just start deleting these nodes, and you could actually probably mirror this thing over after you've got it done. I would maybe take both those and right click and turn them into a line. So that one's done. So click on your item, select all your nodes, and go apply. This one's pretty good. It just has those squiggly lines. But I don't want any leak. See, that's going to leak right there. If we zoom in, even in a hairline, not only is that going to leak, it's going to not look as good. I've got mine set on 0.02, which is plenty small. You don't want too big because you don't want to, if it doesn't change, then there's nothing going on. Like that one changed. Now, this rectangle is less than 3 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 3. And I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge it up, fill that in, nudge it up, up. Wow. And there is a much better looking squiggle. And every time I play with this, I redo it and put it in the squiggle, so you'll get this one when you do it. But just, if you see one you like, clean it up. So I'm going to save this, so if you ask for a new one, or if you ask for the squiggles, this one and this one have been redone. And I've done some of them over the years that I like, that I've used. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.